So, what I've discovered here is on my Tesla Model S, this is a model 2016.5, that you see this inner liner to the fender has become dislodged a bit. We had a pothole, a bit of a pothole that we hit on our way back from hospital, and it came dislodged. But what you can see is this piece here is actually a clip, and there's a little a female receptacle there underneath it where that sort of like clips into, and that'll sort of solve your problem as it works out, I believe. So I think you can just clip that thing back in there, and that's sort of done with that one. So let's give it a shot, shall we? Just gonna sort of clip it in there, and then problem solved. Not bad, chaps. And you folks have a great rest of the day. Just saved you $1,200. Goodbye.